Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change names in Microsoft Teams. So, it is a very easy step to change your name in your Microsoft Teams. At first, what you have to do is just go to the top at the right side on your profile and just click on your profile picture. From here, you'll get all of the options to sign out, to change your status, to set an active message, and to add another account. Other than that, if you hover on your name, you'll see these two options. One is view your profile, another is edit display name. Now we want to click on edit display name. And after we do just that, we can change our name from here. We can set our name to anything we like. For example, I'll set my name to Techie Leopard and then just click on save. And when I do this, my name will be changed. And basically that is it. And that is how to change name on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.